Hello, today I will open a mini fashion surprise ball. Number is from series number 2, and I will check if the things I get fit with my Barbie dolls. And I'm not very used to talk in front of the camera, so please bear with me. I have to practice, okay? So let's see what we get today. These are two of my prettiest Barbie dolls. It's my Tokidoki, and the other one is the Mattel anniversary Barbie, but in different clothes. She's from, I think it's Mattel 70 years anniversary. Not for Barbie 70 years. It's for Mattel 70 years. But she has different clothes on her. So, but Tokidoki Barbie, this one, she's so pretty. I love her so much. So I will also show my other mini fashion things I have gotten before in other videos. No, I didn't put them in other videos, but I got them before I started doing videos. Okay, so I will check with them if I get like duplicates or anything. So okay, let's go. They are so hard to open, oh my god. Oh, another plastic. This is like really bad for the environment. So please recycle this plastic crap. So, okay. So let's go. And this is which ones you can get in this season too. I already have. Which one do I have? I have a green bag. That I think it might be that. Oh, my dog is coming here. Hey, Lokis. Hey. I think I have the green one. Maybe I don't know. Lokis. Maybe. And that's okay. Lokis. Oh my god. Okay. Okay, let's check now. Oh my god, I got the same one again. No, did I? Really? Come on. Or is it the same? Oh, it is. No, it's not really the same one. I check it. It has a zipper. It's really. Look, you can open it also. Well, it really. It is for the Tokidoki Barbie, I guess. Look. Pretty. So, not my favorite bag, but okay. Look. My dog is chewing on the plastic. I'm shaking on him. Oh, it's a cap. It looks good. Looks good. It's a sticker and a pair of glasses. Oh, these are nice. They're like almost like Barbie, classic Barbie glasses. So it looks good, fits for Barbie. And this is, what's this? It's like a charm. It's very cute. I don't really know. Is it maybe for the bag? Maybe for the zipper. Hey Lokis. Nej, sluta Lokis. Nej. So, okay. Well, it's not my best. Lokis, sluta. Kom igen, sluta nu. I speak Swedish. Of course you could tell. So Lokis, kom igen. So, okay. Okay, so this is what I got today. It's a sticker. Okay, it's a green bag with a zipper. Not my favorite bag, but it's okay. It's well done in a way. A hat, and it's in plastic, but it really looks good. It looks good. It fits the Barbie head. Pair of glasses. It's nice. What do you call it? It's nice model, but plastic. It's not really great quality here. Look, if you can see, it's not. And it's not see-through. Glasses are not see-through. And this charm is a teddy bear. It's actually really cute to make maybe earrings or something, or a necklace for yourself maybe. So now I wanted to show the things I have gotten before in fashion. What's it called? Fashion Mini Brands before. So no. Oh my god. Okay, my dog is really out to get everything from me here. So he's the cutest in the world, but he's a bit annoying sometimes when he tries to get all my things. Okay, I'll put stickers like here somewhere. Bags. Okay, it's a lot of nice bags I've gotten before here. This one is really one of my favorites. So cool. It's really cute with like small charms and everything. And this one is like really, I just like it. It's really nice. Nej Lokis, nej Lokis. So cute. I'll show you Lokis later. This is the green bag I got before. Nej Lokis. More stickers. And this bag, it's like really nice. Lokis, look at the dog. Oh my god, look at him. Lokis, no. Lokis, kolla. Kolla. Lokis, kolla. Lokis. So cute. Lokis. Nej, inte nu Lokis, inte nu. Wait a minute. This small makeup what's it called? Makeup accessories. This bag is like one of my favorites. So pretty. And the dogs. Nej, Lokis. I'm trying to pet my dog at the same time. It's so cute, Lokis. Snälla, gör inte så här, Lokis. I'm just telling him not to not this dog. Another one of these I really love. Oh, Lokis. Okay, I'll Dogu. So. A scarf. no, they get stuck together. Look here. And this one is also like one of my favorites. It's so pretty. Look, it's really, really, really pretty. Like, Lokis. This is the Lokis show. Lokis. Oh, please, kom igen. Så. This one has a really nice chain. Lokis. What Lokis doing? It's 5 minutes, Lokis. Oh my god. And these ones, yeah, Lokis. These ones I don't really like because they're like they're in plastic, like a rubber plastic, and they're like they won't close really. Lokis. Oh. You can hear him. You can hear Lokis all the time. Look here. He's like, oh my god. Nej, Lokis. Kolla. Lokis, no, please, no. No. Nej, nej men Lokis, nej, nej. Oh my god, doggo. Oh, Lokis. Ah. I would really like to get this one. It's this golden one, golden bag. I would like to get the golden bag, and this one too is nice. And more of these rubber wallets. This one I managed to close, but I have gotten lots of them. And this is like I think it's a water bottle or something. It's nice. It looks good. This one is, I think it's supposed to be a lip gloss for Barbie, but it's not. It's not the right size. You can hear Lokis sniffing in the background. Hey, Lokis, please, no. I got 2 of them. I was very happy with them. The Chihuahua doggo. Another Chihuahua dog. Look. They're not really the same. Well, are they? Well, yes. Perfume. He's trying to get my attention. I'll be there soon. I'll be with him soon. Yeah, come snart, Lokis. Where is this one? And this is it's makeup. I think it's a makeup. Yeah, it's like a blusher, something nice. Lots of makeup mirrors. I have like 5 or something. I don't know. I don't really know what this is. I think it's kind of lipstick or something. I don't know. More makeup. Lots of brushes. This one I think I actually got from, it was not Fashion Brands, it was another mini brand set, but I don't know, like famous brands or something, I don't know, Revlon something. It's a makeup but it's a great Barbie size. So, and this bag, I really want this bag. It looks like a Louis Vuitton kind of bag, but it's like MF Mini Fashion logo. And these glasses, these are for season 1. I've gotten 2 of these. They're actually a bit better because look, it's like a real see-through. They are see-through, so it's a better quality, I think. So these are, I think, most of the things I've gotten. I think I got also like money or something. It's like a smaller doll money, but so like these ones are like my favorite bags. The dolls. That's some nice bags. Yes, I think maybe this one is like the only one I'm not really fond of, actually. I don't know. I thought I had gotten it before, but maybe I put it somewhere else then. I think I did. So okay. So that's my at least part of my mini fashion collection here. So okay, thanks for watching. Okay, bye. Lokis. 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 He's so cute. He doesn't really like the camera. I know. But I don't film so much. Okay? He doesn't like when I'm on the phone or doing things like okay. I love him. He's so cute.